Hey, if you're trying to grow your small business on the internet, then you're going to want to watch all the way to the end of this video, because the single tip that I'm going to share with you is going to give you a huge advantage over your competitors. You see, a lot of people, when they think about digital marketing, they're thinking, okay, we're going to go and we're going to take some content and stuff. We're going to post it online and tell people, hey, buy our product, buy our product, buy our product. And you can go that route. You can. But a much more efficient, much better, something that's going to set you up for the long term and the long run is the prospect and the method and the strategy of building relationships with your ideal customers. And there's all kinds of different ways you can go about doing that. But the idea is like this. You know, if your brand online is very similar to how it ought to be offline. The way that you communicate with people, the way that you talk to them, the way that you help and serve them, and then your product or service, whatever it is that you offer, you want it all to be positive, right? You want to be able to show them excellent customer service. You want to show them that you are genuine, that you're authentic, that you can actually help them and get them the results that they desire. So they'll keep coming back to you time and time again, and you become the go-to for whatever it is. Go-to dentist, go-to date night restaurant, whatever it is. Whatever it is you have, if you develop that relationship with your customers, boom, you got the advantage. So think of ways that you can start developing that. Now, obviously, when you're developing relationships, kind of like if you're a guy and you go up to a girl and you're saying, you know, my end goal is to have a wife, you might not want to go very first encounter and say, hi, my name is so-and-so, here's the ring, you want to get married? Probably not the best strategy. Probably gonna make her run away, maybe cry, maybe they'll call the cops, who knows. So you don't want to do that. Don't always go straight up for a sale first encounter. Find a way to help. Find a way to serve. Find a way to prove your worth, if you will. And that's why the method of giving something away for free helps so often. So one way that I go about cultivating a positive relationship with my ideal customers is by giving away a free course for small business owners. So if you own your own business and you're trying to grow your business online, well, I've got a resource for you that's going to be great. It's the Fundamentals of Online Marketing course, which the link is in the description for. It'll show you basically the strategy, the framework for growing your business online. Really quick, really simple, but you'll understand it. So you won't have to deal with all the extra confusion, all these other people saying, oh, you need to do this, 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 this. Just understand the basics, understand what you got to do so you can move forward. Now, if you want to level up, you want to go beyond just the basics, you want to start scaling things, making a lot of things happen, well, we're glad to help you out with that too. With actual advertising, Facebook ads, Instagram ads, getting more people into your world. But what that course is really about is how to start the process, right? Laying the groundwork, laying the foundation so that you can then build up the mansion. So go make sure that you check out the free course. The link is in the description below. And thanks for watching this video. And if you want to watch more, there's some on either side you can go check out right here. So I'll see you in the next video.